Hello, what's up mga idol? For today's video, ato ang hinabion karon, ato ang pamation ang pakighinabi ni Mayor Dumlao diya sa Surigao City, inubanan sa mga kadagkuan sa kapulisan kay sa pag-surrender sa mga tao ni Dato Adlaw. So daghan-daghan pa lang ni surrender no sa atong mga kapulisan karon nga mga sakop ni Dato Adlaw. So mga idol, paki-like and share lang ko sa akong video mga idol, o paki-follow sa akong Facebook page mga idol. So daghang salamat mga idol no. So atong pamation karon mga idol ang paghinabi ni Mayor Dumlao. So samahan niyo ko mga idol.
At para sa ato tanan, salamat ka pagkayo sa inyo today. So thank you for being here today. We are gathered to address a serious issue that has affected members of our community. One that involves illegal recruitment, human trafficking, and a growing concern linked in a self-proclaimed group operating here in Surigao City. I want to acknowledge the presence of our law enforcement agencies, local officials, members of the media, and most importantly, the victims who have bravely come forward to tell their story. Your courage is crucial in making sure justice is served. These cases involves large-scale illegal recruitment and human trafficking right here in Surigao City. A group of individuals from Moncayo, Davao de Oro were promised high-paying jobs only to arrive here and to be forced into a completely different situation. They were made to serve as so-called tribal guards, given weapons, and even charged money for identification cards. The suspects, alias Dodong Santisas and Jorgeto Santisas, or Dato Adlaw, deceived these individuals in joining their group under false promises. This is not just a case of illegal recruitment, it is directly connected to the disturbance caused by the self-proclaimed tribal group, the federal government of the Philippines, which has been causing trouble in our community recently. Let me be clear, the local government will not tolerate such any group or individual who threatens the peace and order in our city. Together with our law enforcement agencies, we will ensure that those responsible are held accountable under the law. We are taking this matter seriously and we will continue working to dismantle any illegal activities linked to the group. At the same, I urge everyone to be vigilant. If you come across suspicious recruitment offers or groups operating outside the law, please report them immediately. Our community's safety depends on all of us working together. And I would like to acknowledge also the efforts of our Philippine National Police, the Philippine National PNP Provincial Office, headed by Colonel Warren Dablo, also the first Police Mobile Force Command, headed by Colonel Quadra, and of course our Chief of Police for Surigao City, Colonel Lukban, and all the members of the PNP and all other security offices that were involved in making sure that peace and order has been maintained in the city of Surigao, and for their actions that have led to ensure that all our victims are safe and that the other activities will not be escalated. So I congratulate everyone involved. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, City Mayor Pablo Miguel Dumlao II. Indeed, Surigao City is a place of law and order, and we will not allow any individual or any organization to disrupt that. So we will now proceed with further details on the case. Perhaps Police Colonel Quadra can give a few details.
Good morning, Mayor, to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Warren W. Good morning, and to the Chief of Police. Good morning. I would like to inform everyone that yesterday, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, these 9 individuals from Davao de Oro approached our security personnel or our troops in the ground sa Barangay Sabang, Surigao City. And they told us that they want to surrender or they want to go home. That's why we assist them and we brought them to the Surigao City Police Station for processing. And the other group, composed of 7, surrendered to the elements of the Surigao del Norte CIDG, led by Police Lieutenant Colonel Jacinto Ario, and these 7 individuals